Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use WeChat without QR code. So first of all, go ahead to your WeChat right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just select the login with your account. If you are like me, logged in before, just go ahead and click the more options right here and just go ahead into the help center. All right. So it's going to switch you to the help center. Scroll a little bit down, click right here, the contact us in the highlighted blue, and just click the first option right here, which is WeChat user feedback and support, and click the highlighted green word, and you gotta select the platform, iOS, region, whatever it might be. Select the category, account registration, and select the assistant registration. And from here, you gotta just type simply, I need help with my registration on on WeChat. All right. And after you type right here, or I need help with my registration to a new account, after you type it, you gotta enter your email right here or phone number. All right. And basically you're gonna enter both because email is mandatory, and click that check mark right here to submit a problem. And if you want right here to upload a screenshot to support your issue, just go ahead and do it. And basically what you're gonna type right here, I need help in registration to a new account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.